Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from Emmanuel Forex Traders. I'm here with a trade recap of a loss that we took on the UKO. So for that and more, watch the rest of the video. Alright, great. So let me just show you the trade before all this happened. So this is the trade we're looking at right here. This was a nice rally-based drop supply zone, clean, and then we had a trend and liquidity being created at that level right there. You can see that the market actually took out this liquidity right there and it came into our area right there. And when the market gave us an entry signal, we were able to enter right here, and the market dropped a fair bit. The market dropped a fair bit right here, and then the market literally went to the upside and we were taken out for a loss. So let me just show you everything else. Let's start from the higher time frame. I show you the breakdown on everything. All right, so from here you can clearly see that the overall trend of this particular trade has been to the downside. Therefore, the wise thing to do is to trade in the direction of the trend, which we did, right? And then we can clearly see that on the 1 hour time frame, we had a very good setup right here. We had a rally based drop supply zone right there, and then we also went to the lower time frame and actually found our order block below just there. We had an order block on the 5 minutes time frame, and then we waited for the price to come to our area and everything else, and then the market gave us our entry signal right here, and the signal was sent to our private community. And yeah, so the signal was sent to our private community right here, and unfortunately this trade turned out to be a loss. All right, so this is how it is. So today we've taken quite a few losses today. This sad being a Monday, but I mean, it's part of the game. Like I always tell you guys, the market is always working in terms of probability. There is no way to know on a trade by trade basis what's going to happen. What we have to do is make sure that we have the long-term mindset where we're focusing on a series of trades and not looking at a trade by trade basis, because depending on what kind of strategy you're using, you can actually have 4 5 losses in a row, 6 losses, even up to 10 losses in a row. All right, so it's all probability, no matter how good your strategy is. So I just want to show you guys that these things happen. They happen with everyone. It's unfortunate that most people don't want to show you the negative part, right? They only to show you the when they are winning, which is very sad. Otherwise, these things happen. You are going to lose more trades actually. So what you have to be good at is actually be good at losing, because once you are good at losing, you won't let these negatives actually affect you. You can actually learn from them and actually get some lessons from them so that you can improve your strategy and become better. All right, so this is how it is. So reviewing losses is very important because it gives you so much insight on what you can improve on your system and everything else. Otherwise, losses are so part of trading, just like wins. They are going to come, so you have to be able to accommodate them, but make sure that you're always predefining your risk and know exactly how much you're risking on a particular trade, because losses are going to happen and you have no idea which one is going to be a win, right? This was a perfect setup, but it turned out to be a loss, and you can clearly see that the market really dropped beautifully here, came to our level right there. Again, the market dropped a bit and then pushed to the upside. No one can predict that. You can't predict what's going to happen. So it's all about having a series of trade mindset. Make sure that you're predefining your risk every time, and whatever setup that meets your criteria, you're obligated to take that trade, because you don't know which one is going to be a winner. So you don't have to pick and choose. You have to take all trade setups that meet your criteria. That's how you become consistently profitable. All right, so I hope you found value in this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.